If you strip the other species of mankind of the lands they stole from the indigenous black people worldwide, where would their dwelling be? Remember, the Most High distribute the earth to Noah's sons and their descendants. Shem, Ham, and Japheth named cities after their names, their wives, and their children. Their descendants continued this tradition throughout their generations. If the other species of mankind were truly descendants of the ancient people in the scriptures, why do they go as far as to change the names of their father's land and change the names of the inhabitants of their father's land if they were truly descendants of Shem, Ham, and Japheth? The children of the fallen would be compromising themselves. We all know they support each other regardless of the crimes they commit.